Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to download Roblox on a laptop. First, open the web browser on your laptop. You can use Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or any browser you like. In the search bar at the top, type roblox.com and press Enter. This will take you to the official Roblox website. Once you are on the Roblox homepage, look for a game and click on it. After that, you will see a blue play button. Click on it. A small window will pop up telling you to download Roblox. Click on the Download Roblox button. Your laptop will start downloading a file called Roblox Player Launcher. You can see this file in the Download section of your browser, usually at the bottom of the screen. When the download is finished, click on the file to open it. If your computer asks for permission to make changes, click Yes. The Roblox installer will open and begin installing the game. This may take a minute or two. When it is done, the installer will close automatically. Go back to your browser and click Play again on any Roblox game. Roblox will open on your laptop and you can sign in or create a new account. Now you have Roblox ready to use on your laptop. You can explore games, join friends, and start playing right away. Thanks for watching.